Screw you, J3.
Actually, retail price is
$152.
$152.
Oh!
Yay!
Remi wins.
Damn it.
Hey, Remi, why did you say that 15 minutes ago? Playing the grocery game.
Hooray.
A shuffleboard table worth $5,032.
That should have been me.
Yep.
Zach, tell Remi how we play the grocery game.
You have to be within 20 and
Otherwise, I hope she breaks the
$21.
cash register.
Who's she? Who are you
Break
referring
it.
to as she?
He.
Oh,
Right.
sorry. I thought you were
Remi's a
she.
he.
Yeah.
It's alright.
Sorry, Remi. I thought
You
you
have
were
to be
I'll make
within
mistakes.
$20 and $21. You can use 1 item, 2 items, 3 items,
Break that
4
cash
items, all 5,
register,
but along
Remi.
the way you go over
Break
20.
it.
But
Can I
along the way
guess?
you go over $21, you lose. If you use all 5 items and you don't quite make it to
Break it,
20, you
break
lose.
it,
So you have to be within
break
20
it.
and $21.
Can I guess the wax paper?
How many of you
Come
want?
on, 99, 99, 99.
Wait, so how many trying to guess for? So, like, what do you think would be a good estimate?
Well, you have to be within $20 and $21 to
Otherwise, you
win.
want to make a historic moment by breaking the cash register by going like over 10 or something like that.
Let's do 550.
5, so 5.
No,
Wait.
just
Wait.
let's do 50.
I'm afraid Remi's about to break the cash register.
You said 50?
Yeah.
That breaks the cash register.
Goes over anyways.
You broke the cash register, Remi.
$89.50.
That's a historic moment.
I love it.
You just broke my cash
Of
register.
course, that's going into historic moments.